Open-air simplicity. One of the modern farmhouse bedroom ideas is to bring your space open-air in a simple way. Initially, you should keep to a pastel or neutral color palette consisting of white, gentle grays, beige. These colors give off a fresh and open feeling for your space. You should also select furniture that is simple to use and has attractive lines. Let's think of having an elevated bed with an open frame, and simple nightstands. If it's feasible, you can think about putting in large windows or sliding doors that open to the deck or other outdoor areas. This improves the sense of openness by creating a seamless transition between the inside and outside. Preppy prints. Preppy's home decor is all about colorful patterns, with a heavy emphasis on unique design. Blending a modern farmhouse room with preppy prints can result in a unique and elegant appearance that combines classic themes with rustic appeal. As a result, you can include them in modern farmhouse bedroom wall decor through textiles and decor objects. Vintage textiles. If you incorporate vintage textiles into your modern farmhouse bedroom, it is critical to maintain the balance between the antique charm and the general appearance of the space. Combining these vintage components with more contemporary farmhouse pieces could lead to a welcoming and harmonious setting. Vintage textiles in an updated farmhouse sleeping area can provide nature, warmth, and a sense of memory to the room. You can use vintage curtains or drapes with prints of flowers or other classic patterns. These will add an appearance of elegance to the windows in your bedroom. Edgy and frilly. Your specific preferences and aesthetics should be the primary motivation behind what you choose for design. It may work well for you if you approve of both edgy and flowery components. Finding the right combination is the key to a great design that integrates both edgy and flowery features. When employed in moderation and intelligently planned, these opposing styles can complement each other. Contemporary twists. Contemporary designs frequently incorporate a range of substances, such as glass, metal, and concrete, in addition to typical farmhouse components like stone and wood. They often feature eye-catching artwork or objects which act as focal points in the room. In particular, many modern twist designs have timeless characteristics that make them less likely to go completely out of fashion soon. This ensures that your home will retain a modern and appealing appearance for many years to come. French charm. Gentle colors, lightweight components, and a concentration on beauty and aesthetics are all characteristics of French charm. This style commonly embraces a romantic feeling for your space. Hence, a modern farmhouse bedroom with French charm aesthetics nature will appeal to the richness and romanticism of French decorating.